Hello students, today we will see what is meant by topological sort. Topological sort is nothing but the linear ordering of vertices. And it is applicable only for the acyclic graph. For example, see this is a cyclic graph that all the here there are total 4 vertices and there is a edge from A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Whereas here it is a acyclic graph. Here there is an edge from A to B, that is cycle is not present. Okay, then what are the steps to identify the topological sort? First one is we have to identify the vertex with 0 in degree, then add that node to the ordering and remove it from the graph. These steps we have to repeat this. For example, yes, now consider this graph. It is a directed acyclic graph. And what are the steps to identify the topological sort? We have to identify first the in degree of each and every vertex. What is mean by in degree? In degree is nothing but the edge which is going towards that vertex is called as in degree. Here in degree of vertex 1 is 0. In degree of vertex 2 is 2. Here there is edge from 1 to 2 and 3 to 2. In this way we have to identify the in degree of each and every vertex, and then the vertex which is having in degree 0 we have to remove it, and as well as remove the edges also that from that vertex. Yes, after removing one, here we will get this graph. Then again you have to identify the in degree. In degree of this vertex 3 is 0, vertex 2 is 1, then vertex 6 is here 3. Okay, then again here you have to remove this vertex 3 as well as remove the edge 3 to 2, 3 to 5 and 3 to 4. After removing this we will get this graph. Again you have to identify the in degree. Here now in degree of vertex 2 is 0 as well as vertex 4 is 0. Yes, you have to remember one point that the topological sort for directed acyclic graph, it is not unique. Okay, hence first you have to remove this vertex 2. Then see here, after removing this 2 we will get this graph. Again you have to identify the in degree of now 4 vertex. Here it is 0, then you have to remove this vertex 4 as well as the edge 4 to 5 and 4 to 7. After removing this we will get this graph. Again identify the in degree. Here in degree of 5 is 0, then remove this vertex 5 and edge from 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. Then we will get this graph, and then the vertex again 7 is having in degree 0, hence we have to remove it. Then we will get only one vertex, and then at last you have to remove that. Hence here the topological sort for this given graph is 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. That see, topological sort for directed acyclic graph, it is not a unique. Okay, hence we will get this answer also. Okay, yes, thank you for watching.